Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best attendance chart is probably one of the most important tools for teachers to effectively manage student attendance, monitor class participation, and ensure that every student is engaged in the learning process. In this video, we will explore the key features and benefits of different attendance charts, helping you choose the perfect one to streamline your classroom management and improve student outcomes. Number 5. Classroom Reward Chart. This innovative chart is designed to motivate students and make learning fun. Its vibrant design and easy-to-use features will transform your classroom. It features a bright yellow color and an engaging style to keep students motivated throughout the learning process. The cheerful design makes learning more enjoyable. Its dry erase surface makes it easy to clean and reuse for endless learning activities. You can update it easily and use it again and again. Its vertical orientation is perfect for saving space in your classroom or home. It's wall-mountable for convenient placement. It comes with 240 reward stickers to track progress and incentivize learning. Watch your students thrive with positive reinforcement. It's ideal for classroom management, attendance, and homework tracking. It's also great for use at home to track chores or other goals. What we like. If your classroom needs a motivational boost, this chart is perfect. Its bright design and reward stickers will keep students engaged. If you're looking for a reusable and easy-to-clean attendance solution, this is it. Choose this chart for its vibrant design and effective reward system that motivates students to participate actively in class. What people say. Already laminated and perfect for student data. Multi-packs allow me to track reading and math goals with motivational stickers. These charts are very easy to use, and my students love checking off their work throughout the day and filling in all the assigned boxes. It's super easy to erase at the end of the day, and my students love helping out with that. Great size, great colors. Thick enough to be useful and thin enough to be able to tack it to a wall. Number 4. Carson Dellosa Colorful Owls Chart. This chart is a great way to track student progress. It's perfect for rewarding good behavior and motivating students to achieve their goals. Use it to keep track of completed assignments. Watch students excel as they meet their milestones. It's ideal for reinforcing positive actions and celebrating successes. See how it motivates students to do their best. This chart helps students stay focused and motivated. It provides visual reinforcement of their accomplishments. It has plenty of room to list multiple assignments or goals. You can customize it to fit your classroom needs. With its generous size of 17 by 22 inches, it's easy to read and use. The colorful owl design is appealing to students. What we like. This chart's generous size provides ample space for tracking various assignments and goals. It's perfect for classrooms needing a large, versatile tracking system. If you are looking for a simple yet effective way to track progress and motivate students, this chart is a great option. Its large size allows for multiple assignments or goals to be tracked simultaneously. What people say. Really cute design, plenty of writing space too. So cute. Colors are great. Nice sturdy weight. Fits foil stars perfectly. I needed a poster to log my students' math drill and reading progress on in my classroom. It arrived quickly and I'll be laminating it to use year after year. Also, this matches my owl theme perfectly. Number 3. Attendance Pocket Chart. It's easy to track your students' attendance with this handy pocket chart. Simply move the cards to show who is present and who is absent. This chart measures 29 by 27 inches, with conveniently sized cards. It's the ideal size for easy viewing and management. 72 colorful cards are included, allowing you to write names and even add photos. Personalize it to fit your classroom needs. It features reinforced grommets at the top for easy hanging. You can quickly update it each day. Use it for attendance, setting classroom goals, or any other tracking needs. It's versatile and adaptable to your teaching style. It's great for classrooms, kindergartens, preschools, daycares, and more. This chart is a valuable tool for any educational setting. What we like. The pocket chart design makes tracking attendance a breeze. Individual student cards allow for personalized tracking and easy identification. If you need a quick and efficient way to track daily attendance, this is the perfect solution. Its design is especially useful for preschool to elementary classrooms. What people say. Use this every day in my classroom. The kids enjoy the visual of it. I replaced the people pieces it comes with our own kind of visual marker for each kid because it came with enough pieces for a year's worth of students. The quality and material is great and will last a while for sure. I use this in my kindergarten classroom and it works great. The kiddos can find their picture and put themselves in the blue to show they are there. Number 2. Hygloss Job Board Kit. This kit makes assigning classroom jobs a breeze. Its bright colors and cute shapes will keep your students engaged. Say goodbye to chaos and hello to organization. It's the perfect solution for managing classroom tasks. The adorable shapes add a fun touch to your classroom. Students will love seeing their names displayed. It's designed with vibrant colors to make it visually appealing and easy for students to understand. The pockets make it simple to assign and change tasks. This kit simplifies classroom management. It's a must-have for any teacher looking to streamline their daily routine. It's made from high-quality materials, ensuring it will last all year. You can use it year after year. Whether you teach kindergarten or high school, it's versatile enough to suit your needs. It's a great way to promote responsibility. What we like. This isn't just an attendance chart, it's a fun and engaging job chart too. The cute design makes assigning tasks more enjoyable. If you're looking for a versatile chart to manage classroom jobs and attendance, this is a great choice. Its dual functionality makes it perfect for classrooms needing a fun and efficient way to manage both tasks and attendance. What people say. Fun colors and love the googly eyes. I am using this in my classroom for class jobs. It is a cute way to display the items. My students were obsessed. Number 1. Youngever Incentive Chart. This 6-pack of colorful charts is perfect for motivating kids. They're laminated for easy cleaning and come with plenty of reward stickers. It's made with a durable PET film, so it wipes clean easily. Say goodbye to stubborn stains. With 36 rows and 25 columns, it offers plenty of space to record achievements. The vibrant colors make it visually appealing. The included 120 star stickers are the perfect size for the chart's grid. They're a great way to celebrate accomplishments. Use it to track homework, school attendance, or any task you want to encourage. It's a great tool for building positive habits. Get your Youngever incentive chart and start motivating your children to achieve their goals. Order now and watch their progress soar. What we like. This multi-pack of charts offers versatility and durability. The easy wipe surface ensures long-lasting use. If you need multiple charts for different purposes or prefer a durable, easy-to-clean option, this is the best choice. Its multi-pack and durable design make it ideal for classrooms with multiple needs. What people say. This was great for tracking data in my classroom. Lots of variety of colors and very functional. Great size for a large or smaller class. Functional and easy way to track student progress, perfect size for visibility and vibrant colors. My teaching team loves these. They use them for various competitions such as multiplication facts, and literacy and math required programs. The students loves it as well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.